Okay, hello everybody, my name is Paul Richards, I'm with PTZ Optics, and today I'm going to show you how to set up XKeys buttons so that we can call triggers inside of vMix. You can also call triggers for other things as well, so I'm going to show you how all this works, and I think it's going to be a really cool little example of how to set up camera control buttons. You can also do this for just doing anything inside vMix. So in our live show coming up in about a week, I'm not going to be able to pull it off by tomorrow, is I'm going to be able to hit one button and the camera is going to go directly to a place that I choose. And I'm going to show you how it all works. I'm going to show you how to set it up in this video. Plus I have an unboxing video. Let me just show you what we're working with here. I bought a kit from XKeys. So this is about $150. It's a USB plug with a 3-port analog inputs there. So if you're an integrator or someone who knows how to use that stuff, you can extend the length of these buttons quite easily because it's all analog cabling. And you can see we've got 3 buttons here, blue, red, and green, just to make things easy. And I'm going to show you how it all works and how we set all of it up. And I really like it. It's really a cool little program, and I got to show you how to map the keys with the software that they provide, which is what I'm going to show you next. So this is the software that you have to download called MacroWorks. So from a step-by-step process, you need to download this software, plug in your XKeys switch, open up this software, and then once you have the software open, then you can go ahead and click. Oop! I already have this set up to. I clicked it and I've already got it set up to do some funny stuff. Let me go back here. Sorry, I'm not ready to do that yet. I can't click it because if I do click it, I already have it mapped to my recordings here. Sorry, guys. But when you do click these buttons, they will open up. In fact, I think I can double click it to show you. When you click the button, it'll automatically do this, and then you map. In here, what you would do is you would map what you want the computer to do when you click this button. Okay, so I've just selected 3 random keyboard strokes to map it to. So hopefully that makes sense. Basically, it was actually a little complicated, but it became straightforward to me once I took a look at it. Basically, you have to tell the computer what you want to do when you hit one of these buttons. So we did that. Now I will show you really quickly how to set it up inside of vMix, which is our next task here. And let me see if I can do this. I'm gonna have to do a desktop capture here and pull it in right there. And you can see that there is a shortcuts section. So what you do is you go into the shortcuts and you go ahead and add one. I've already added 3 here for the 3 buttons, so I'm just going to double click one. It's as easy as clicking the find button and then hitting the button. And then vMix automatically finds it. There's even a velocity. But that's not what these are meant for. So you click the button, vMix finds it, and then you tell it what you want it to do. And I'm going to take you guys a step further here, and instead of just having it do a fade or an overlay, I'm actually going to have it control the PTZ operations of our camera. So that's going to be really fun. So I've already got that set up, but let me take it a step further and show you how that works. So here is the vMix input. Okay, let me just make this a little smaller so you can see it. And you guys have seen there's a PTZ tab here. Let me just zoom out on this just a hair so that you guys can see this better. Position. Just give me a little more space to work with. Okay. So basically, you guys have seen this before, I'm hoping. You do need to have the professional or the 4K version of vMix in order to have PTZ control. But this PTZ control here, basically, oh, actually, sorry, I have to pull up this one. You can connect it to our PTZ Optics camera by typing in the IP address. So once you've typed in the IP address of the camera, that input now can pan, tilt, and zoom the PTZ of the camera, which is really nice. So once you've got the camera where you want it on your preset, for example, maybe I want this one, I actually want to be my full shot. So I'll go ahead and put myself in full view here, and I actually want a little bit of the desk there because I'm showing off what I'm using here. And you can go ahead and create an input at this position, and it creates an input. So there's that input, and basically inside vMix, as you go to these inputs, it will actually it basically creates an input for each one with the pan, tilt, and zoom preset all together. So what does that allow us to do? Well, now we can actually map these to these buttons. So if I click a button, it basically, that preset is basically, it fades to that preset. So if I hit the blue button, it goes to the blue. If I hit the green, it goes to the green. So now there's a lot of different ways that we could use this, right? So I think that you guys can probably guess, you know, a couple different ways that you might want to use this. I'm definitely going to have a button that I can just go boom and have it go to a specific position that I'm planning on doing, or switch cameras or control cameras. There's so many ways to use this. I just showed you guys how to use it. So I can't wait to hear how you guys start using it, but props to vMix for making it so easy. XKeys is going to be on the live show tomorrow, and we're giving away a free joystick on the live show, so don't miss it. I'll put the giveaway link below, and it should be a fun show. See you guys there.
Click to watch another exciting PTZ Optics video, and don't forget to subscribe. Tune in Fridays at 11 a.m. Pacific, 2 p.m. Eastern to join our live show with new industry experts interviewed every week.